You want to meet India and Pakistan.
Don't worry, we will send you to prison, like India and Pakistan.
So, what now? Wolf is back. We should make plan to end him.
This is not just we versus Wolf. This time, this will be endgame.
Yes, either we will win or we will die.
Is this fight that serious?
Of course this is.
Some greater entity is involved in this.
Is he even stronger than us?
Yes.
You both are part of 7 mythical creatures. And if you both are saying this, then this is too serious.
Yes.
If I know correctly, one to entity is stronger than 7 mythical creatures. First is God, and second is...
Yes, you guessed it right.
But how?
It's a long story. He is my boss. He is the one who sent me here, and he wants to kill Wolf.
And you know the reason why he want to kill Wolf, right?
Yes. But what about Long Wang?
I don't know what he is doing here, but I am sure he is not with us.
But don't you think Long Wang is dangerous for us? He is quite powerful.
Don't worry about him.
Boss will handle him.
Meanwhile,
Before I gave powers to France Nazi and Ottoman Empire to defeat you, but this time I will come in front of you to kill you, Wolf.
meanwhile,
Is something wrong, Ottoman Empire?
I don't feel so good.
shout out to